Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
Last year we hosted the World Championship, so this time we're hosting the qualifiers. So we have like up to 30 to 40 athletes taking part in this round. Also, we are starting the world tour. Sport tourism is a growing market globally, and I mean, for us to host the Døds Diving World Tour here in Tobago is just a fantastic event, you know, to highlight Tobago in general. We have a lot of tourists coming specifically for the event. We have supporters coming for the event. We have family members coming to see the event, and not just that, but it's a socio-economic benefit for all of us here on the island. We have the food vendors. We have the international athletes being exposed to our culture. So I mean, this is definitely a win for the Division of Tourism, by extension Tobago. From last year to this year, we actually have ESPN on board, which is being highlighted to 60+ countries globally. I mean, that's just a win-win for Tobago in general.
Awesome, like being here on the island with all these people and just the turnout of everyone on the beach and just the sunset and everything. It's been one of the coolest competitions we've done yet. Man, 10 out of 10. I've been loving Tobago. I'm definitely coming back.
Dang, the experience was amazing. Like the crowd and everything, you get so hyped and it feels amazing to jump here. The people, the town, the climate, it's amazing. Yeah, I love it. I was so happy because I woke up like, I came here 9:30 yesterday, so I was very jet lagged this morning, but I ended up winning.